Today we are drawing this tall giraffe. So, let's get started. We will start by drawing the giraffe's face. Friends, do you know giraffes are the tallest land animals? Let's draw the giraffe's eyes. Giraffes have blue or purple tongues. This helps protect them from sunburn while eating under the hot sun. Now we will draw the giraffe's long neck. Then we will draw its body and legs. I used to think giraffes are slow, but friends, do you know, giraffes can run up to 35 miles per hour for short distances. Next, we will draw its tail. To complete our giraffe, we will draw spots on its body. Each giraffe has a unique pattern of spots, like a fingerprint. No two giraffes look exactly the same. Now we will draw a tree. Draw a sun. Now, it's time to fill colors. First, we will fill mustard yellow in some body parts of the giraffe. Then, we will fill the brown color in the spots. Let's color the ears pink. Now we will color the giraffe's whole body yellow. After giraffe, we will color the trunk of the tree brown. Now we will color the leaves green. Tree, we will color the sun yellow and orange. grass with different green colors. It's done! Bye, friends! Let's meet in the next video! And do like the video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.